My name is Alma Khan and I work at Reston Hospital. I work as a registered nurse on the medical oncology floor. I would say that my favorite part about being a nurse is just being able to help people. It's always just been part of my personality. I love to be able to make people feel better, and that's essentially what nursing is. You get to work one-on-one with people and really help them get better. I decided to become a nurse because taking care of people has kind of always been part of my personality. I grew up with my two elderly grandparents and they just had a ton of health issues, so from a really young age I was always helping out. I think they really inspired me to become a nurse because I just grew up loving being able to help people. The field of nursing, having a nurse versus a doctor in a patient room definitely makes a huge difference. After he leaves, it's the nurse who's there almost 12 hours, at least 12 hours, who really walks you through things, helps explain things, does all those little procedures, helps you bathe, helps you feel like a human being in a hospital, because a lot of the times people really lose their sense of self. They lose their independence in hospitals because they're not allowed to do much. You can't just get up and wander around. You start to feel like you're not really a person, but nurses are there to bring that back to you. So outside of the 3 days that I do at the hospital, I also part-time work as an at-home aide nurse. So what that really means is that I get to one-on-one work with this wonderful elderly woman, and I get to come in, make sure that her blood pressure, her blood sugar is doing okay, make sure that her PT and OT, physical therapist and occupational therapist, are really helping her work towards her goals of better mobility. I love being able to, just help her get better. She's the sweetest woman, and I love that really personal interaction with her one-on-one and getting to, really know her family. And I just think it's so great that I'm able to go in and have that kind of experience. Personally, what I really want to bring to nursing, and why I think nursing is a field that really benefits people, is the fact that we're there to care for you regardless of so many factors. We put aside our own personal beliefs. There's definitely no prejudices allowed. You aren't allowed to just discriminate and not provide someone care based on religion or race or any of those factors, whereas in other places of the world there are still people who can't get that care because of those dividing factors. And I think that nurses as a whole really benefit society because we're just there with the goal of helping you.